Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the speaker and removing any grill or external covers. This prevents accidental shorting. Next, remove screws and gently pry seams with a plastic tool. Metal tools can mar the case. Once the shell is open, identify the battery pack and the connector type. Note orientation and any adhesive or heat shrink. Take a clear photo now for reference. Doing this first saves time later and prevents reversing wires incorrectly when you reach the connector and cells. You should disconnect the battery connector carefully, wiggling the plug rather than yanking wires. This protects solder joints. Once disconnected, measure or read the existing battery specs, voltage, mAh, and cell count so you match the replacement exactly. Prepare the new pack by trimming excess tape and pre-fitting it into the compartment to ensure proper cable routing. If soldering is needed, tin wires first and note polarity. Once prepped, reattach the connector and secure the pack with double-sided tape or original adhesive. You finish by reconnecting the battery in the correct orientation and closing the case, tightening screws evenly to avoid warps. Once reassembled, charge the speaker fully before use. That conditions the new pack and confirms charging circuitry functions. Test playback and charging behavior through a full cycle. If the speaker fails to power on, check the connector seating first, then measure pack voltage with a multimeter and inspect solder joints for cold connections. Address any loose contacts. Replace the fuse or PCB connection only if you can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.